If you are selling t-shirts online, here's one simple tip that'll help you sell more on social media. Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a great day. If you're new here, my name is Greg and I like to talk about online entrepreneurship. So if you're interested in making money online, feel free to look around the channel and you might find some stuff that you like. In today's video, we're going to talk about the single biggest tip that I can give you to sell more t-shirts on social media. If you've been following my videos here on YouTube or if you're in any of my courses, then you definitely know that I don't recommend using paid Facebook ads, and I definitely recommend using Instagram pages and social media to drive niche traffic to a niche storefront. With that being said, if you haven't seen me explain this strategy before, I'll link a video up here that you can click. It'll open in a new tab and then you can watch that after this video. So assuming we're all on the same page, when you start these social media pages for your t-shirts, you have to post good content. So there's 3 types of content that I recommend you post. First is the basic photo of the t-shirt. These do surprisingly well, and the way you get this photo is either to screenshot it from the print on demand site, or you can drag it onto your computer and save that file and repost it onto your social media pages. Second is posting quotes and entertaining content that's relevant to your niche. You can create this kind of content with a cool custom background from Typorama or WordSwag and post that on your social media pages. And third, this is where you can get your big advantage. Think about any big company that sells clothing. They always have models wearing the clothing, and then they have a professional photographer taking photos of those models, and they post that on their social media pages. This invokes a feeling in potential customers. The people on social media who are seeing these kind of posts are not only seeing the design, but now they are associating it with that model and the background and the lifestyle, whatever that model is doing. This is where it's powerful. So previously on Teespring, you were able to create mock-ups with your designs on models for free. But since that feature has gone away, but in this video, I want to show you the tool that I use that'll allow you to still do this. So without further ado, let's jump in the computer and let me show you the mock-up tool that I use to create designs on models for social media. All right, so this is placeit.net. It's not .com, it's .net. I just want to make sure that we all come to the same website here. And it's an amazing website. Now, before we jump into this, I did want to say right off the bat that this is a subscription website. So it's about $30 per month. But the good thing is you get unlimited downloads. So if you have a bunch of designs, you can create thousands of these and only have the subscription for 1 month if you wanted to. The cool thing is they have over 25,000 different templates that you can put your design on. Now, a bonus for you guys, which is actually really cool, is Placeit reached out to me and they gave me a link I can share with you guys that gives you 15% off if you do want to sign up. So that'll be in the description. But without further ado, let's jump into this and show you how this works. So once you're on Placeit, all you've got to do is hit mockups up top, just hover over it. And then you can click on t-shirt mockups. And this is where it gets cool. It's so simple to use too. You've got literally thousands of different mockups you can do here, and you can just scroll through all of these. But what we do first is click upload your design right up top and choose the design that you want to put on models. And then it only takes a second to load and it'll upload your design here. I think their cutoff is 10 megabytes for the design. So as long as you're not uploading a really big photo, you should be fine. And I'm just going to use this design right here. This is the hustle poster in the back, which is pretty cool. And then you can make it the size that you want, and you can always change this. So you can design it until it looks good for you. I'm going to put it somewhere towards the top up here so it's along the chest. Make it a little small just like that. And we'll just hit crop. And then without doing anything else, it just finalizes the design, and then you'll see it start to auto-populate on all of these models down here. So as this loads, it starts to put that design on all of these models. And like I said, you have thousands of these that you can choose from. And then you can just download the photo and you have unlimited downloads. Now, another step before we start scrolling through all of these is you can change the color of the t-shirt. So if you want different colors of that shirt that they're wearing, all you got to do is click the color up top and give it another second to load here. And now all of a sudden you have models wearing a black shirt with your design on it. So now that we have this, we can go and scroll through all of these different models. We can sort on the side if we want to, but you can just go through and find something that fits your brand. What fits the lifestyle, what fits the feeling or the vibe that you want to show off with your company and that you want your brand to stand for. So remember, as you're scrolling through here, you have pages and pages and pages of these mockups. But once you find one that you like, all you have to do is click on it and then download it. So let's just say we want to use this one right here. We'll click on that. And then we can change the shirt color again if we want to change it over here. And then all we have to do is hit the download button right up top and download now. And as you can see in the corner, it's downloading. And just like that, the download is finished. And we can click here to download the image. And it's a high quality image. And we can use it just like that on our social media. So all you have to do is go to your downloads. And here we have that photo right here that we can use. So this will go straight onto social media and you can start to build a vibe. You can start to build a feeling around your brand. This is hands down the #1 tip I can share with you to sell more t-shirts on social media. So guys, I hope that has helped you. And remember, that's placeit.net and they're giving you guys the 15% off code that's down in the description. If you guys have any questions about this at all, feel free to leave them down in the comments. And remember, you've got that video up there that'll walk you through the strategy so you know how to use these mockups from placeit.net. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one.